Hello students, welcome to all in Bishop Academy online classes. Dear student, in part 7 video, we have solved some numerical problems of increasing and decreasing functions. Now dear student, in part 8 video, we will study about tangents and normals and also its equations, and after them we will solve some numerical problems which is based on tangents. Now student, for studying tangents and normal, first of all we have knowledge about some basic terms such as gradient, equation of the line passing through the one point and equation of the line passing through 2 points. इन सब की जानकारी आपको होना चाहिए. First of all, we know about gradient. Gradient is also known as slope for a curve. Gradient means slope, and slope is also equal to m. It is represented by m, and m is equal to tan theta. मतलब ग्रेडियंट स्लोप की इक्वल होगा और ये m की इक्वल होगा और यह tan थीटा की इक्वल होगा. लेकिन यहाँ पर कैलकुलस में हम लोग स्टडी करेंगे तो ग्रेडियंट या स्लोप m या tan थीटा को हम डिफरेंशियल फॉर्म में लिखेंगे और इसकी वैल्यू लिखेंगे dy by dx at x1 y1. ये सब आप लोगों को बेसिक टर्म बताया जा रहा है जो क्लास 11th में बताया गया है. ये 11th में नहीं है, लेकिन ये 11th में है. ग्रेडियंट इक्वल टू स्लोप इक्वल टू m इक्वल टू tan थीटा. And also, if there are 2 points, point A and point B, coordinate of A is x1 y1, coordinate of B is x2 y2, then slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. And also, equation of line passing through point P x1 y1 and having slope m is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. And also equation of line passing through two points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is given by y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. And also when slopes of two lines are m1 and m2 and they are parallel, then m1 equal to m2. But when they are perpendicular to each other, then product of their slope is equal to -1, means m1 into m2 is equal to -1. ये सब बेसिक है, ये आपको जानकारी होना चाहिए, इसलिए हम इसको यहाँ पर बता दिए हैं. Now we will study about tangents and normal for a given curve whose equation is given by y equal to fx. If we construct any curve whose equation is given by y equal to fx, and if we take a point on its boundary or on its circumference, and if a line that is passing through only this point, then this line is known as tangent line or simply tangent, and this point is known as point of contact or tangent point. Let it is P x1 y1 and this is curve. अगर किसी भी कर्व पर कोई वन पॉइंट हमें उससे अगर कोई एक लाइन ड्रा किया जाए जो केवल और केवल उसी पॉइंट से पास करे, तो उस लाइन को हम टेंजेंट लाइन कहेंगे और उस पॉइंट को हम पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट और टेंजेंट पॉइंट कहेंगे. एंड इफ ए लाइन which is perpendicular to the tangent line at the point of contact, then it is known as normal line or simply normal, and it makes angle 90 degree to the tangent line. If slope of tangent line is m1 and slope of tangent line is m1 and slope of normal line is m2, then m1 multiplied by m2 is equal to -1, means slope of tangent line multiplied by slope of normal line, this is equal to -1. Now student, we will study equation of the tangent which is passing through the point P x1 y1 to a curve. Means equation of tangent for a curve y equal to fx, which is passing through point P x1 y1. Since y equal to fx is a curve, and point is P x1 y1. We know that slope is equal to m. This is equal to dy by dx at this given point x1 y1, means at x1 y1, and also we know that equation of line passing through point P x1 y1 with slope m is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. यहाँ पर जो टेंजेंट लाइन है या सिंपली में टेंजेंट ओवरी लाइन है और वो वन पॉइंट से पास कर रहा है, और हम सपोज कर लिए हैं उसका स्लोप m या dy by dx एट x1 y1 है, तो यहाँ लिखेंगे दिस इंप्लाइज दैट y minus y1 equal to, in place of m we write dy by dx at x1 y1 into x minus x1. This is required equation of tangent line for given curve at given point p x1 y1. Means y minus y1 equal to dy by dx at x1 y1 into x minus x1 represent equation of the tangent for the curve y equal to fx, which is passing through the point p x1 y1. Now we have to find out equation of normal for a curve y equal to fx and normal is passing through the point p x1 y1. Again, let since y equal to fx is a curve and point is p x1 y1, we know that slope m equal to dy by dx at x1 y1, and also we know that equation of line passing through the point p x1 y1 with slope m is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This implies that y minus y1 equal to dy by dx at x1 y1 into x minus x1, and this equation is equation of tangent, but here we have to find out equation of the normal at point p x1 y1. This is equation number first. Also we know that slope of normal multiplied by slope of tangent is equal to -1. This implies that slope of normal, this implies that slope of normal multiplied by slope of tangent, यहाँ पर है dy by dx at x1 y1 is equal to -1. This implies that slope of normal is equal to -1 upon dy by dx at x1 y1. Then equation of normal is given by y minus y1 equal to slope of normal multiplied by x minus x1. This implies that y minus y1 equal to, here slope of normal is -1 upon dy by dx at x1 y1. Then we write y minus y1 equal to -1 upon dy by dx at x1 y1 into x minus x1. This implies that y minus y1 into dy by dx at x1 y1 is equal to -x minus x1. This implies that y minus y1 into dy by dx at x1 y1 plus x minus x1 equal to 0. This is required equation of the normal. This is required equation of normal which is passing through point Px1 y. Now student, we will solve some question which is based on tangent, and question is find slope of curve y is equal to x square minus 1 at point x is equal to 1. Means we have to find out slope of the curve y equal to x square minus 1 at point x is equal to 1. Given y equal to x square minus 1, differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx x square minus 1. This implies that dy by dx, differentiation of x square minus 1 means d by dx x square means 2x, and d by dx 1 and 0 minus 0. This implies that dy by dx is equal to 2x. Then dy by dx at x is equal to 1, this equal to 2 into 1, this equal to 2. Means slope of curve y equal to x square minus 1 at point x equal to 1 is 2. This is answer. Now dear student, some question is given in Google Classroom app. Thanks.